Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the home page in the Opera browser. It's quick, easy, and you can set it to whatever site you prefer. Alright, first open the Opera browser. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click the O menu icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings, or if you prefer shortcuts, just press Alt and P together on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Now, under the Basics section, scroll down until you see the option that says On Startup. You will see a few options here like Begin Fresh with Start Page, retain tabs from previous session, or open a specific page or set of pages. To set your custom homepage, choose Open a specific page or set of pages, then click on Add a new page. Here, just type in the URL of the site you want as your homepage. It can be Google, YouTube, or your work dashboard, whatever you want. Then click Add. If you want to remove an existing one, just click the three dots next to it and select Remove, and that's it. Tips: now whenever you launch Opera, it will open right to your chosen homepage. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.